Good everyone, welcome back to the Core Graphic Design channel. Today will be the episode 2 on how to run mockup your design on Photopea successfully. In my first video, I teach you on how to download the correct Photopea app. But today I will teach you on how to download a free mockup, free PSD file directly to your mobile phone. What are those things that you have to look into before you download a PSD file? Because there are some phones, not all phones can run a mockup PSD file. There are some phones, and even no matter how big the phone is, no matter how functioning the phone is, there are still some other mockups that cannot run on the phone successfully. You discover that when the RAM of the phone is too small, there are some mockups that will just, when you run it, your phone will be overheating. There are some that your phone will even switch off, while there are some that their phone will just still. It will not respond to user typing anymore. But today I will teach you some trick that I normally use to run mockup on my phone, and what are those mockup I always go for, and what are those things I normally look into. There are some characteristics that you have to look into when you want to download a PSD file online. Let's go. You come to your Chrome browser, then when you come to your Chrome browser, let me give you some sites. Come to your Chrome browser, then click www.graphicsfamily.com, then click OK. Now this is their site. You see, welcome to Graphic Family, the one marketplace for free graphic design resources. You see, so this is it. You see, there is one logo. You can click on this. You see, this is Office Space window logo. You see, so here you can see other similar logo, mockup, and how to use it. You see, open the PSD file using Adobe Photoshop CC. Step 2, double click on Smart Objects, just like same process. But I told you that not all mockup work on smartphone. But today I will teach you on how to do that. You see, I'm looking for mockup to use. Let me decided to click on this mockup. Let me download this. As you can see, then you click on download here. Sorry. You see this download. Just click on it. Click on download. Then click on details to check whether you are downloading the right thing. Yes, I'm downloading the right thing. So when it's done downloaded, sorry, let me check where my download is. So good. As you can see, it's done downloaded. This is already done download. So the next thing you will do now is to click on it, tap on it. But remember, you have to extract it to your Android phone. In extracting it, there's one thing you must have. Is either you have WinRAR extraction, or you have ZArchiver. But I will recommend ZArchiver. When you have a ZArchiver on your phone, then you are good to go. You must have it installed on your phone. So the next thing you will do now is to, after immediately you finish downloading it, just tap on it once. You see, automatically it's asking you to open it with ZArchiver. Then click just once. Now, these are the content of the mockup you downloaded. Then locate. There are two things that you have to look into for you to identify the right mockup from here. Look at the one with highest megabyte, or look at the one that ends with .psd. Listen again. Look at the one that ends with .psd, or the one that is having highest megabyte. among all these options that you see. So I'm going for the one that is having highest megabytes, which is 23.84. Then I click it, click extraction. Now, after you click extraction, you see what it pop up. Remember, immediately you click it once, and you click extraction and pop it like this. You see at the bottom, there is one down arrow. Here, don't click it yet. Once you click it, it will extract. Then click the three dots here. Click create. Click new folder. Then name it. Tutorial. Let me see. 1 tutorial PSD. Okay. Then you see it opened the folder. The arrow did not go. The arrow still remains. Then click it. When you click it, you could see that it has already what? You have already extracted to a folder. You created name 1 tutorial. You see it, 1 tutorial. So now you are good to go. You now back. Let's run the mockup and see how it goes. Come to your Chrome browser as usual. Then come to your Photopea. Run your Photopea. Good. Then come to your file. Come to open as usual. Come to download. Then you come directly. When you click the 3 icon at the top, come down. Then locate your Z-Archiver. If you have it, it will be there. Then click on this click on this one to select where the option arrow is. Click on it and click on download. Then locate where your 1 tutorial, you see it? This is 1 tutorial. 1 tutorial PSD. As you can see, I've clicked it to open it. This is the PSD file I just extracted there. Just click it. It will load. You see it? Very fast. That is what I normally do. The next thing is to click on lay. Now, you see, the first thing is your design here. Double tap, as usual. You see it? I've double tap it. Then you see, there's eye icon beside it. Hide it. Click on lay back. Then go back. Click on file. Come to your open and place. Click on download. Then come to your Pixel Lab. Your Pixel Lab. Then I want to locate. Good. I want to select the PNG file logo that I've created on Pixel Lab. I've done that. So then you see there are some undo icon, undo that surround the logo I just imported. You can that one give you an opportunity to grip, to hold any of these undo and stretch it out on him to make your logo to fit in on the mockup. Remember, your input will be what will be your output. Your input will be your output. What do I mean by this? The way you position it, that is how it will come out. No cheating in it. So let me stretch out. You see, I've stretched out a bit. Good. Then come to your file. Click on Save with Smart Objects. So you click on Save with Smart Objects. So you now wait. You wait for it to load. Wait. So the one thing that you need to do again is this. Click on the first logo mockup, the first one at the top. You see logo mockup, you see layer 1. Click on it once. What you are trying to say in essence is that because everything's still, you cannot click anything after you click Save with Smart Object. It means underground you see everything is done already. The reason why I click on logo mockup was that immediately you don't process what it processed underground, you should automatically switch it to that logo mockup. That is the one I imported and I've already placed my logo on it. So when you look at it, see how it goes. See it? Very simple. And the next thing you will do now is to click on export. Click on your file, click on export and click on Save with Smart Objects. Click on Save with Smart Objects. then click on save. Let's view the design. You can see, look at it. Hand at time, let me just give you another trick. After you're done downloading the mockup, you discover that it will be very small. It is something you can crop out to make it to make it bold as well, and you can zoom it out before you save it in your Photopea. This will be the episode, all the episode concerning the what, concerning on how to extract, how to download a free mockup and how to extract it to your Android phone. And as you can see, after I download the mockup, I test it for you to see how it will work. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this video interesting, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I update a new video.